couple of years ago, I stood somewhere here and talked about a dream called the Whiteland Aspen. And today, that dream is becoming a reality. What I'm going to show you now is not a sample flat. It's the actual flat that Whiteland Aspen is delivering. The promise of high construction quality with premium specifications. The promise of large bedrooms with the most efficient utilization of space. The promise of the perfect location with Aravalli views on one side of your apartment while being well connected to the highway on the other. The dream of timely delivery of your apartments with fast-paced construction. And this dream is being brought to life by Whiteland, the first amongst equals when it comes to premium luxury housing in Gurgaon. Whiteland Aspen, an investor's dream that was brought to reality. Something that started at about 10,000 rupees per square feet is trading at over 14,500 rupees per square feet and expected to touch almost 25,000 on possession. And don't just take my word for it. Come, see the construction, the actual apartment with your own eyes. Call your relationship manager now to book your priority site visit.